Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Dwi Kartika and my student number 0601181823017. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you good. Today I want to present about how junk food affect health and intelligence for children. Uh, there are five table of content. The first about junk food, the second about what content of the food makes it junk, the third effect of junk food on child health, and the fourth effect of junk food on child intelligence, and the last is tips on junk food reduction. So the first about junk food. Junk food is unhealthful food that is high in calories from sugar or fat with little dietary fiber, protein, vitamin, and mineral or other important forms of nutritional value. Uh, Origin of the term junk food. The term junk food dates back at least to the early 1950. Junk food always called cheat food. That is anything made principally of wheat flour and refined white sugar or syrup. For example, white bread, crackers, cake, candy, ice cream, soda, chocolate, chocolate melt, sundaes, sweetened carbonate, and beverage, because they all have little or no nutritional value but do have plenty of calories, salt, and fats. Uh, Junk food also provides empty calories, supplying little or none of the protein, vitamins, or minerals required for a nutritious diet. Uh, Many junk foods such as hamburgers, pizza, tacos, noodles, sandwich, and spaghetti. Uh, and the and the second about what content of the food make it junk. Uh, there are four content. The first is about additional sugar. Various junk food items contain artificially added colors, flavors, and sugars that make them look attractive and taste delicious. Furthermore, these are usually paired with a created beverage, which also have the some constituent in them. These altogether combine to form a large quantity of additional sugar that is not good for the body. The second is unhealthy fats. To further make their food items draw worthy, all the food items that fast food restaurant offer, including burgers, hot dogs, sandwich, and so on, usually have multiple layers of cheese in them. Some of items come with mayonnaise or have it has a separate dip for flavoring. Many of them are fried in oil. All of these aspects add to the fat content in the food items, most of which are not suitable for children. The third, processed substances. Fast food barely contains any fibrous elements and none of the other nutrients that are essentially that give the body the necessary energy. All fast food does is make you feel full with processed food items, essentially rendering them junk. The last, food toppings. Many toppings that various burger and salads have or no sauce and dips that accompany them are usually mayonnaise in generous quantities, like ketchup or other flavors. All of them usually have a lot of salt in their preparation, which passes on to your kid's body. The next is effect of junk food on child health. There are many effects for child health. There are six, like increased blood pressure. This increased blood pressure, the sodium in the salt increase the blood pressure, and next is fatigue. The child probably gets a feeling of fullness in the tummy while consuming junk food. Kidney disease, increased blood pressure affect the kidney functions. Diabetes, the sugar in the colas, sodas, and beverage contain high amount of sugar. The absence of other nutrients in junk food to bring the best out of sugar causes the adverse effect on the child. Obesity. Obesity, the like the fat used for flavoring and seasoning in the junk food accumulates in the body. And the last, retarded growth. The growing child needs all the core nutrients required for a good bones and dental growth. And the next is effect of junk food on child intelligence. For intelligence, there are slow brain work. In slow brain work, like preteens have to be in the race to prove better. Junk food lacks nutrients which provide uh, alertness to the brain, such as leads to inability to concentrate on the tasks. Retention capabilities are low and reduce the learning abilities. The child also mm, uh, like easy to stress and many for intelligence. Uh, and the last is tips on junk food reduction for child. There are some tips to make the child turn to the healthful food. The first, by switching to healthy snacks. There are a variety of healthful snacks that you can provide, starting with biscuits, fruits, or vegetables. And the second, by replicating junk food with healthy materials. When you make the food nor salt, you worry. Since you can rack up food similar to this junk food, which makes it possible for you to use it without wholesome, nutritious material, so that even the child will feel inclined to consume it. And the last, by avoiding bad habits, you can reduce it and not too often to take the child to a junk food restaurant. There are some quotes. If we're not willing to settle for junk living, we certainly should not settle for junk food, by by Sally Edwards. Mm, so that's my presentation, and I want to open a question and answer section. Did I any question for me from Fanny, Winnie, and Nur Habibah?
Nadia,
Yes, Fanny.
okay, I want to ask you,
Okay.
okay, based on your explanation, what happens if someone consumes junk food too much?
Okay. Thank you, Fanny.
Yeah, you're
Uh, I think, based on my explanation, the effect of junk food are almost always associated with obesity, high cholesterol, hypertension, and heart disease. What view people realize is that fast food can or junk food can also eat away at the brain's health. An excessive diet of junk food can reduce cognitive function on the brain. This are made by a lack of attention focus, a speed of action, a worse memory, and drastic change in mood. In addition, high sugar and fat foods can lower the brain's synaptic neurotropic factors or brain yours, which helps to increase blood flow to the brain and prevent damage to the brain cells. Did I answer your question, Fanny?
yes, Nadia. Thank you.
Thank you, Fanny. Any questions from Winnie and
Nadia, I want to
Habiba?
ask question.
Yes, Winnie.
Okay. Can you explain what is the difference between fast food and junk food?
Okay, thank you, Winnie. Uh, Different between fast food and junk food. I think fast food and junk food is different. For fast food is a type of food when you get from a restaurant designed to deliver or the order in the quickest possible way. For example, salad is fast food as well, and that is sure to be healthy if it doesn't include any processed product or fat seasoning. For junk food is a food with extremely low nutritional value, sometimes called rich in empty calories. For example, fries and almost anything deep fried and processed can be categorized as junk food, like French fries. Mm, So fast food and junk food are not interchangeable terms, and using them as such as confuses people who want to eat healthy. Did I answer your question, Winnie?
Yes, thank you, Nadia.
Thank you so much, Winnie. And the last questions for Nur Habibah.
Yes. Okay, I want to ask you, Nadia.
Yes, Nur Habibah.
Okay, so from your explanation, there is already a great deal of information about the dangers of junk food to the body. Yet people still want to consume it. So can you explain what does the junk food factor that can attract people so much? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Nur Habibah. Uh, I think junk food is a poor food because it has bad stuff for the body. um, but it's still a lot to consume by people. Uh, this is because of addiction or obsession with junk food that has an easy, good taste and cheap. While junk food contains a lot of potentially dangerous content if overconsumed, many still consume it without any thought to the hazardous content. I think that's all. Did I answer your question, Nur Habibah? Nur Habibah?
Yes, Nadia, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nur Habibah. Mm, okay, that's my presentation, and I hope you can choose the consume food in order to live healthy life. So, thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Okay.